Welcome to the course section where we are going to introduce you to telehealth. So telehealth can be seen as an umbrella term that includes the use of telecommunications technology to provide healthcare at a distance. And telehealth has expanded over the last few decades. Healthcare has improved through the development and role of technology.
Telehealth can be used in many ways: assessment, counseling, monitoring, follow-up visits, to name a few examples. Telehealth technologies are, for example, video phone calls, chats, and self-care solutions. With this real-time, two-way communication system, you can create location-independent, cost-effective, and interactive meetings between the healthcare professional and the patient.
In this section, you will learn the basic concepts of telehealth and how to create interaction with your patient using telehealth solutions. So what can you expect to learn in this section? You will learn the key principles of implementing telehealth, considering security issues and meeting patient needs in different situations.
Also, interactive activities. You can test your knowledge and deepen your understanding through a variety of interesting tasks. And last but not least, real-life scenarios. You will learn to apply your theoretical knowledge into practical situations and build up your confidence in using telehealth.
So, we wish you enjoyable time with telehealth.